Did your guys' look like this?
I gave up.
I gave up on mine too. I just had such an issue. It must be an SPS thing.
Okay, it must, because I
noticed we use a lot of the SPS ones.
Similar. I could see where, okay, we're in the right direction here, but this, I couldn't get it to do these three. So
they ask us to do them on the test, so I don't know why they keep asking us to do it in the homework.
Yeah, so and that's kind of where I was thinking, you know, we haven't had to.
Well, I mean, we're gonna have to probably do it on our project here, but they're not that hard to do.
No.
In Excel.
As long as we can represent it and it makes sense, I think we'll be fine.
Mm-hmm.
Especially since we're just doing the 2 different eggs.
Right. It's not going to be these complicated bar graphs.
Yeah.
Well, we're not even going to be using bar graphs because we're not doing a category. Well, no, we're not doing categorical.
We're going to do like a histogram.
Yeah. So we're fine.
Histogram. 1 and 1. We're gonna have like little twin towers.
So okay. I'm happy that our test is coming up and we only have like 4 lessons, because hopefully not too bad. I mean, then we have the cumulative part, of course, but
that's the part I'm worried about is the cumulative. What are they going to pull out of where? You know.
I'm glad we started out. We did. We had a lot more lessons in the other tests, and so I'm glad there's 4, right? 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, 4 lessons. So,
and they've been rather straightforward.
Yeah, so that's good. I'm encouraged because it hasn't been. I mean, if you think about the learning curve for the first test and even the second, to some extent, it was a lot steeper than it is now because there's a lot of, we reject null, it's because there's sufficient data. Yeah, I got it. Okay, I don't have to relearn new concepts every time,
I guess I'm really just worried about like trying to remember enough of everything from before.
What I did with the last one is I took my 1-page test thing and I looked over that, and anything I didn't know by heart, I added to the next test page.
Yeah, so that's what I did too, but.
And I'll consolidate formulas or whatever to this current test page. And I don't know, I'm just crossing my fingers, but we're getting close, ladies. We're getting close. So,
well, should we do the quiz?
Do it. Yep.
Knock it out. Bat doing, Laura?
Huh?
Your little fruit bat.
Oh yeah, he still got the cone of shame. He doesn't get his stitches out until Monday.
Oh wow.
But he likes the cone of shame. He uses it as a weapon against the other dog.
It's the cone of power.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Because he usually uses his butt, because he's part dachshund. He usually uses his butt to hit him in the face.
I've never heard of such a thing.
But now, I know, it's funny. It's funny because he'll, like, look at him while he's using his butt to hit him in the face. now that he's got the cone, he just runs, like, straight into him and knocks him over.
Serious.
He's a great dog. He's very entertaining.
That's awesome.
We had an Australian Shepherd once that she had a naturally docked tail, so her behind just kind of like went off the end. She didn't have a tail, but she would shake it like she was trying to shake a tail.
Yeah.
And she would actually kind of make herself into like a U-shaped, like something like it was, which she would, and she smiled, which was kind of scary. So she would be really excited to see you, and she'd make herself into this U shape, and she'd dance around with her teeth showing because she was smiling. It was very traumatic to new people.
That's funny. Dogs are a little gift from heaven to help us make it through this crazy journey. That's what.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
She was fun. Unfortunately, she did not adjust well to our changing pack structure.
Changing what?
I got her right before I had my 3rd daughter, and then after my 4th daughter, and we moved, and she started getting very aggressive.
Oh.
And and so they we had a rescue that helped us find a family. They were a family in the mountains that had like a 9-year-old, and that was it.
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
but yeah, she kept trying to put herself above the babies in the pack structure, and she started getting really aggressive.
Yeah.
And they don't understand. They just wanted to play. And
Right.
when
She
she started snipping at them, that was the end there.
Yeah. Well, you made a good decision because working in.
Well, and she wasn't happy. I felt like I was, if I kept her, like I'd be torturing her. I'd have to keep her pinned up and whatever. It was just, I didn't want that for her. So, all right.
Yeah.
What's this? Okay, chiropractor. We haven't actually had any.
We just open that one for now, and then.
I was gonna say, I just entered in the ones that were in the lesson. We didn't actually have a sheet to pull from.
It's over here.
Okay. A public opinion poll surveyed a random sample of 1,000 voters. Respondents classified male or female and voting preference. So you think we take all those and put them in our chart?
Yep.
Okay. Of course, you can't copy them. That would be easy.
You can't?
Not on these, no. You can do it from Word to that, but you can't do it from this to that.
Yeah, you can't do them from the...
Okay, just a second. I'm just slow at this. Slow.
All right, I just have to this is where you need the 2 screens.
I have 2 screens and I'm still slow.
Well, so we're only doing
You don't need the total.
Republican, Democrat, and the Independent, right? We don't put the total.
No, you don't put the totals. You don't put the column total. You just put the.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really only.
Just put the numbers in.
Okay.
6 values.
Because it totals it for you at the bottom.
Yeah, and the side.
Okay, well, so the first question, what set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
So gender and voting preferences are not independent or are.
It's the last one.
Yeah, it's C, right?
No, it's the last one.
Yeah, C, right?
Yeah, are because they're independent
was,
and not independent. Okay.
Yeah, there's only 3 answers, right? So it's C?
Yep.
Number 4, it's the number of rows -1 times number of columns -1, so it's the third one.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Did you guys already put the data in?
Yeah, we'll wait.
It's only 6 values. It's not as bad.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so the degrees of freedom is 2?
Yep.
Degree of freedom is 2?
Yeah.
Yes.
I might input something wrong.
Well, because we have 3 values up and 3 values, or 2 values down. So
Yeah,
it's 2 times 1.
Yeah. But is that the question? Because what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem?
I know, it's worded a little badly.
Okay.
I have degrees of freedom 2.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so hang on. I barely got the data in. It took me forever. Okay. What is the correct choice? Okay, I choose 2. So it's the number 4 is C. Number of rows subtract 1, number of columns subtract 1.
Yes.
And number 3, hang on one sec. And gender, voting preference. Gender and voting preference are C on number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm caught up now. 3 is C, 4 is C, 5 is 2, 6 is. Oh, are we? So we're on 6.
Yeah, and it has to be that there's at least 5 expected.
Counts in each cell. Yeah, that's what I think too. Okay, 7. You guys haven't done 7 yet, have you?
Test
It's just
statistic
chi-squared.
16.204.
16.204.
That's what I have.
Yeah.
And the p-value.
That's
It says round to 3 decimal.
0.000.
Yeah. If,
So we reject the null. So there is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent.
yep.
So A. Oh, lovely. Look at this one.
Hang on a second.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the one that we have the Excel space for, though.
So on 8, did you guys just put 0.000?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. 9, which statement? Sufficient evidence to suggest that. So A is what you got on 9, right?
Yes.
I'm not keeping up with you guys today. Okay, and then 10. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Okay, so there's 3 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Is that what you guys got?
What?
5 columns and
Yes, 5 columns and 3 rows.
oh, phooey. That's not how I put it in. Darn it.
Well, yeah, I put 3 rows and 5 columns.
But you can do that, right? But
Yeah,
I don't do
No
it.
matter how you put them in, you're gonna get the same stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I can do columns because I just did each country as a column.
Country. Oh,
Europe, Australia, US.
okay.
Okay. So the conditions are satisfied. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm almost there. Just one second. Let me get this
Oh,
last
okay.
one.
Sorry.
Oh no, I don't need to get that last one in. Okay.
So degrees of freedom, 8.
Mm-hmm.
Did everybody get that?
I did. And the expected cell counts are, so yes. So conditions are met, true. Degrees of freedom are 8. What is the
What do you guys get for chi-square?
7.436.
What'd you get?
What?
7.436.
Chi-square, I got 7.436.
Yeah.
Am I looking at the wrong thing?
The test statistic.
I got 8.529. I wonder if I put some data in wrong. Just a second.
You probably put in one of the totals.
5, 61, 70, 97.
And is your p-value 0.490?
One little mistake I made. I can't imagine that that's going to make that big of a difference, but maybe it did.
Okay, so there's insufficient.
2, 170, 178. Now I got 7.436. Okay, yay. Okay, 7.436.
Dang, I was having that issue again. I didn't hit enter.
Uh-oh.
I got it. Okay, 7.436.
You did on the p-value 0.490, right?
Yes.
14.
So there's insufficient evidence to suggest motivation. Which?
So it's the second one, right?
Has to be B because that's the only one that says insufficient evidence.
Well, yeah, so you do insufficient evidence and then you do the alternative hypothesis, which is not independent.
Yep.
Yeah.
I swear, it feels like a riddle every time we do this.
I know.
Oh.
We know what it means, but then when we read them, I don't like with the last exam, I was just like, wait.
It makes you doubt everything you think you know.
Yeah.
What? Well, I seriously, I write it out on my paper and I put it all the way out. Like I write the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, otherwise I'll just get myself all second guessed and turned around.
Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah, 100%.
That's it.
Sweet.
It's a
Sweet.
whole lot easier than last week or last Tuesday. That was rough.
So have you guys done the homework from 18, the homework quiz?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I missed one on that.
Oh, really?
Missed it both times. I need to figure out a better way to.
I did too. I want to look back on it. Let's see.
Oh, let me look because you can see what it was. I can show you. I can tell you like what the right answer
Yeah.
was.
Oh,
Let
you
me go
can-
back.
Homework.
Also, did everybody take it?
Oh, has everyone taken homework from the
I took-
homework quiz last time?
I have.
Yeah, I have. I just wanted to make sure everybody else has.
Yeah, Allison, you have?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was the question about which hypothesis test would you do? There were 3 questions on that towards the end of the
Oh.
homework quiz.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hold on.
There was
I pulled it up. Attempt one.
Let me go back to lesson 18.
I know. I was kind of shocked. I actually got 100% on my first try for that, and that
Yeah, same
almost
here.
never happens.
Same.
First try.
What
Okay.
number are you saying, Heather?
It was
I've already
number
given
10,
both
right?
tries, but so it doesn't. But
So a
it was the
credit card-
question.
10.
I know those are confusing me, but yeah, no, I was shocked that I got them right because like the Z test.
What did you put for number 10?
A T. It's one sample T test because because if you think about it, you're saying the average or like across it. It's a big number, so you probably don't have your standard deviation.
Yeah, that's why I put it.
Because if you
But
have, you have to have your standard
test if
deviation.
you have the
down
standard
to zero.
deviation.
Okay. That's
So
the
unless it tells you, yeah. And then the other one was a test of 2 proportions.